What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. And today, guys, we got a good one. We're gonna go over actually how to create a YouTube video without showing your face or saying a word. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, here we are on the back end of the software called VIDNAMI. It used to be called Content Samurai, if you've heard that before. And what'll happen is we basically just add a script to the video, and then it's gonna automatically compile all these different images based on your niche, and it's gonna add the text of the script that you add to the video. And also you can add a voiceover of, I think it's about 10 to 15 different people onto the actual video itself. And also, if you want to customize it, you can go to Fiverr.com, find a voiceover person, and then like have them actually create the voiceover. You can upload that voice on this if you want to customize it yourself. And this will be a two-part video. First part will just be creating a video for YouTube without any kind of commission or affiliate marketing attached to it. The second half of this video will be that way you can create a video and put an affiliate link inside of it. That way you're making money in your sleep. So was planning on doing the first half of it, but I decided to actually just make it two-part series. That way it's the best of both worlds. You can just create a video, not worry about making any extra money, or you can also create a video and make money in your sleep. So either way, it's all good. I'll have both bases covered. So without further ado, let's dig into this. And what we're gonna do is create a content video, and there's like basically 7 different types you can dive into. But for this video, what we're gonna do is just use the content video selection. And when you do this, you have to have obviously copy for it. That way you can put the text on each slide. So what we're gonna do is go inside this site called eZine Articles. It's free. All you have to do is just create credit for it at the bottom of your description of the video, and I'll show you how to do that. So what I did is a test run. I created a keto diet video. So let's go ahead and go to my YouTube channel that I created from scratch. I call it the Body Nova, and it's promoting a custom keto diet product. But just to show you what the video looks like, let's go ahead and go to it right now so you can check it out. I won't play the whole entire thing, just a clip of it.
These days, it seems like everyone is talking about the ketogenic, in short, the very low carbohydrate, moderate protein, high fat eating plan that transforms your body into a fat burning machine. Hollywood stars and professional athletes have publicly touted this diet's benefits, from losing weight, lowering blood sugar, fighting inflammation, reducing cancer risk, increasing energy, to slowing down aging. Alright,
so you get the point. So what VIDNAMI does, it compiles all these videos for you, and all you have to do is upload this text that you see down at the bottom of the screen onto it, and it'll automatically just compile everything together, and then it generates it, and you're good to go. So again, let's just pretend that we're into, I don't know, let's say dog training, right? So what you'll do is go to eZine Articles. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can check it out. So once you go to eZine Articles, just type in dog training, and then you're gonna find all these different articles about dog training. So then what you'll do is great dog training techniques. So click on that, and then what you want to do is copy the text. We're gonna copy this, and we're gonna paste it inside of VIDNAMI, and then it's gonna create a video using these words in the script. So as a test, I'm gonna grab this, copy that, go to VIDNAMI. So we're on content video right now. Then we're just gonna select one of these templates. There's plenty of them to choose from. Let's just select this one, use template, call this dog training. I'm gonna paste that text that I just copied, right? So of course, don't put this in here, leave this out, because what'll happen is it'll actually read this out inside of the video. So, but you want to keep that so you can put it in your description of your video on YouTube. So let's go ahead and delete that. And let's see, let's go ahead and delete this. And again, like the more text you have, the longer the video is gonna basically render out. So for example, let's see, I did a test where I did 27 slides. It lasted about a minute and 37 seconds for 27 slides. So let's go ahead and create scenes. That way you can kind of gauge of like how much text that you need to put on here. So now it says 1 out of 15. So this will probably be, I don't know, about 30 seconds, somewhere around there. So what it does is it's basically their AI intelligence is really just picking up keywords in this text to actually try to find something that corresponds to that. So what we're gonna do is type in dog. And then you can go through each one of these slides and just select whatever you want. So have that one, you have that one, select a different one for that, scroll through, choose that. But then again, like make sure to like the actual photo or the actual video itself pertains to the text that's actually on the slide. Keep scrolling down. Let's add that one. Let's add this one. Let's add that one. Now I'm just kind of just running through these real quick for you guys so you can see how it's done. That one. That one. Oh, we already did that one. Select that one instead. You can adjust this text any way you want. You can add anything and adjust it if you want. Let's see. Just do that one. This one. And let's add that one. Almost done. That one. Then this is the last slide. And if you're just doing a YouTube video, you can leave it as is, but if you're doing affiliate marketing, again, I'll show you how to do that here in a minute, in the second half of this video, but you would add the call to action on the last slide. So you would just say like, click the link in the description below to get your offer or whatever the case may be. But so after that's done, after you have like all your videos lined up and everything, of course we can choose a different video for that one. Hold on a second. So yeah, once you have all your videos lined up and your text lined up, ready to go, you just hit add voice track, click auto voice. You can select any one of these that you want. I just chose Harry because that's the one that I've always been told to use. So use Harry, play the samples. Here's voice.
Hi, my name is Harry and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Pretty cool. Again, that's the one that I used on my video. And then you can do preview your video. It's gonna render it. So all right guys, here we are. It has finished rendering. And let me play it for you real quick so you can check it out.
A dog provides unconditional love and friendship to a caring owner. A well-trained dog increases your pleasure and satisfaction 10 times over as compared to an untrained dog. Studies have shown that a well-trained dog is a happier and more content animal than one who is not. I have been training dogs for more than 25 years and my objective is always to have a pet that is happy and who I can control in any situation, including coming in contact with children or other animals. I have been successful in accomplishing this with absolutely no cruelty and without breaking a dog's spirit. When proper training techniques are employed, you will be surprised how quickly a dog will learn to follow your commands.
Boom. There you have it. So again, you can add more slides to this. You can add, I don't know, probably like 100 different slides and add more text to it. That way your video comes out longer. And I believe if you have a video over 10 minutes long, YouTube allows you to put more ads inside your video. Therefore, you make more money. So if you're just planning on using this organically and don't want to drive any traffic to it using YouTube ads, or you don't want to use any kind of affiliate links in it, but you still want to get AdSense from YouTube, I would suggest making it over 10 minutes long. That way you get more income coming in. So yeah, after you do that, of course, you'll just download it and then you'll just upload it to your YouTube channel. Generate video. And yeah, I won't go too much into depth about like how to create a YouTube channel. There's more videos on YouTube about creating a YouTube channel, and I actually suggest going to those first. That way you guys can get your channel optimized for better growth. But if you're looking to actually create your artwork for your channel, you can go to canva.com, and then just type in whatever your niche is. So dog, YouTube, channel art. Then you can kind of just scroll through these to see which one best fits you, whatever your niche is. Scrolling. Let's make this up. But let's say we're doing this one. Dogs. So let's say we're creating a channel called Awesome Doggy Vibes. I don't know how I came up with that, but that. Or you say exclusive dog training content. Something like that. And then of course you would just download this. You pay to download it for $1 if you want. There are free ones in here too, but you would just download that, or even this one. Download that, and then you upload it onto your channel. And if you're looking for like an icon for your logo, you can just screenshot him if you want. Once you pay for this, you can screenshot that, or just go on Unsplash or Pixels or Pixabay and just download a free image of a dog, and then just use it as your image for your YouTube channel. But so for people that are actually trying to like get commissions and money in their sleep with affiliate marketing, use the VIDNAMI. What you will want to do is go to ClickBank, which is absolutely free to join. Of course, sign up if you're not a member or an affiliate of ClickBank, but you just, of course, log in. And so since we're talking about dog training, what you'll do is go to Marketplace, type in, well, here we have dog training right here. I don't know what's happening right now. Dog training, and then go to Gravity. So we would promote this one. So what we'll do is click promote, say YouTube, generate hop links, copy this link, and then once you're actually in YouTube, once you fill out your description, you would just paste that link in your description, and then on a call out, on VIDNAMI, on the very last, let's see, on the very last slide, you can add another one. It was, you have to move it over there, double click, put the link in the description. Description for So then you of course export it. So when they see that call to action, they would go down in your description, click the link to this offer, which will then take them to here. And then they would buy the product and then you get a commission. Again, once you set this up once, like it's gonna, of course, grow organically. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to touch it, and it's money in your pocket. So yeah, guys, what you'll do is click the link down in the description right now for VIDNAMI. I have 2 different offers available. One is a 14-day trial, and one is a 25% off for life trial or for life offer. I'd say if you're tech savvy, go with the 25% off for life option. If you're not comfortable, I'd say try the 14-day trial. But the thing is, with the 14-day trial, you can't actually use the videos without a watermark on it. Just giving you a heads up. So it might be the best option to go with the 25% off for life option. Just throwing that out there because I tried doing this for the 7-day free trial, and it had a watermark all the way across it. So if I try to promote that, I mean, it would look terrible. So just give you a heads up, if you do the 14-day trial, it's gonna have a watermark on it for 14 days unless you upgrade. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and the notification bell while you're at it. I will see you in the next episode. Peace.